Hello, Energetica is at RI Expo, bringing you the latest updates from the renewable energy sector. We are joined by Saurav Rashi, who is the Senior General Manager, HPL Electric and Power Limited. Hello, sir.
Hi, ma'am.
Sir, could you tell us what HPL Solar is all about and what are the products that you are showcasing here?
Hi. HPL is basically the switchgear company, and for the solar, we are the basically manufacturer of the BOS system. That is the balance of supply or the heart of the any solar system. We have the ACDBs, DCDBs, string combiner boxes, string monitoring boxes. Then apart from the solutions, we have the switchgears. Either we talk about the DC side or we talk about the AC side. We have the DC AC fuses. Then we have the DC AC MCCVs. From the last year, we have the SPDs also in our range, and we have the internal DC 1500 volt lab, which are not available in India right now in any companies, and HPL is good going in the solar.
Sir, in the recent past, what are the new initiatives or steps you have taken up to expand your business, and then what are your future plan as well?
Basically, if you see the India economically, now India are moving in the trade of the make in India, and we are making our products in India only. Example, we are manufacturing from the last year, we are taking the fuses and the SPDs from the part globally, not from India. Now we are manufacturing in-house and we are promoting the make in India. Apart from the MCBs, SPDs, all the components which we are using in our solutions is make in India promo only.
That's good to know that you're promoting the localization or what we call backward integration process. So what would be your nearest key priority areas and then expansion plans in terms of your business, manufacturing facilities and all?
If you talk about the business plan, the manufacturing facility, we are basically increasing our product range, and in the next year we definitely showcase our new projects. We are coming with the LT panels, updating LT panels, then we are coming in the solutions. New solutions are there. Definitely you see in the HPL stall some new products are there with the new solutions.
Thank you, sir. And we would be happy to see the new launches that you are just talk about. So yeah, good luck for your business, and then we wish you more success in the future.
Thank you very much.